What's up, guys? So I've had some questions from people asking if they could put on their own voice recording on the Spotify Glass plaques that people are making right now. So I'm going to show you how we can go ahead and do this. This is a quick video, so I'm not going to go through the details of how to use this template or how to edit it and customize it to your liking. Please see my other video for that. It'll be in the description down below. And all the links in this video will also be in the description, so please check that out before you comment and ask where things are. Thank you. All right, so we are going to head over to Vocaroo, okay? If you have recorded something with your voice, or if you haven't yet, you can go ahead and do it on this website. This is one of the two options I'm going to go through today to show you how we can do this, okay? So Vocaroo, if you haven't recorded something, you can press the microphone button. Hello, my name is Jen, just as an example. And when you go to save and share, it gives you a link, and it also allows you to have a QR code right away. So look at that. The problem with this is that, I mean, this is really easy. This is really fast. So that was like 3 clicks and I got everything I needed. But the problem is that this is hosted by Vocaroo. So what that means is your sound file is on the Vocaroo database. Okay. So when you scan the QR code, it'll bring you to Vocaroo and play this voice clip, which is fine for as long as Vocaroo is around. So if one day Vocaroo is no longer around, you're gonna probably lose your voice file, which is not gonna be cool, especially if you have something precious. So the other method I'm going to recommend is if you record something on your phone and then you save the file. So you can save the file here in a Google Drive, okay? And when you're in your Google Drive, you can grab a shareable link. So if you right click and go to get shareable link, you can copy this link and just make sure this is anybody with a link. And you can copy this link and hop over to QR code generator, which is goqr.me, and enter that in, and that'll create a custom QR code for you directly to your Google Drive that is self-hosted. So if you ever, 10 years down the road want to hear this clip, at least it's on your personal drive and not on someone else's hosted website that you may not know if it'll be around. But Vocaroo is actually really great in the sense where if you don't have a voice recorder, you can come here and do so and record it and then download the file. That's pretty much what I did here. I downloaded the file and then I uploaded it to my Google Drive. All right, cool. So that's the QR code portion. Now I'm going to go over how we grab that sound portion, this wave portion, okay? So the website you want to go to is here, and once again, it'll be linked in the description. So here, once again, you're going to upload your sound file. So whether or not you recorded it on your own personal phone and then saved it to a Google Drive, or if you recorded on Vocaroo and downloaded that file, you're going to go ahead and upload it here. Okay, and before I forget, if you do a search for like voice wave, sound wave thing, everything that pops up on Google is like paid or free trial period. So go to this one. This one took a while to find. All right, so on here you can customize all the colors. I like just the black and white, so I'm gonna do foreground color, let's do black, and background color, we're gonna do white, and we're gonna go ahead and hit OK. Awesome. And here is your sound wave. Okay, so you're gonna right click and you're gonna download this. And then we're going to head over to Cricut Design Space and we're going to upload that. I'm just going to show you how we're going to clean this up, okay? So here we're going to go complex. And on this screen, we need to edit it. So I'm going to take my magic tool here and disappear that white. Nice. And then I'm going to take my eraser and just cut off the ends here, because I know this was like me going like or kind of like a noise, so I don't really want that showing up. Same thing over here. I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller. Cool. I'm going to go to continue, and I'm going to save this as a cut image because I'm going to cut this out on vinyl. Awesome. And then you're going to load that in, which I have here. And yeah, you're just going to cut it all out. So you got the QR code, you got the wave, customize this. Yeah, maybe, this is not a song anymore, so you can put down whatever message you want, and yeah, customize that and have fun with it. All right, guys, That's all for this video. I will see you next time. Bye!